Hey there.
Oh, hi, John. How are you?
Good.
Good. What's going on over there?
Well, I can't believe it's an April snowstorm.
Well, that happens. You know, it's still April, and snow happens.
It's a lot of snow, though.
Yeah, and it looks like it's going to stick.
And it's sticking on the ground.
Yeah.
Today's April 3rd?
2nd. Yesterday was April Fool's Day.
Oh, you know?
April Fool's S apostrophe.
It's
all the Fool's Day.
Right, because it's plural possessive.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So all Fool's Day.
Yeah, so that's kind of exciting.
That's what they should call it. You know how they call it, like, All Saints Day? You know?
Yeah. All Fool's Day?
For St. Patrick's Day?
No, St. Patrick's Day is St. Patrick's Day.
What's All Saints Day?
November 1st.
What is that? What is that for?
That's the day after Halloween.
Oh, isn't that the Day of the Dead or something like that?
Yeah, in some places, yeah.
Then they could call it All Fool's Day.
Right.
That would actually make... Alright, fine. It's always the first, what? It's April 1st. It's always April 1st. What are you doing?
I just was waving to myself.
Oh, that's okay. You're doing like a little selfie wave?
Yeah, selfie wave. Oh, look, we're 1 mile now from the state line.
From the state line of Wisconsin. We're heading into Wisconsin.
And like a snowstorm. You know, you can't see it as much on the phone, but like it's like a whiteout.
Well, it's not bad.
So, okay, well maybe we'll check in when we get somewhere else.
All right,
okay, bye.
Bye.